Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I've had a grey parcel plop through the letterbox. Well, it didn't come through the letterbox, he had to knock on the door for this one because it's a little bit fatter. But I'm sure if he could have got it through the letterbox he would have done. He's quite nifty as our postman. Okay, I've had a quick look to see what we've got, and we have, oops, I don't want it to come out now, look, 4 little parcels. And they have all come from China. I'll put the details down below for the link. I had to open one so that I could see where they were from and what they were. And yeah, so these are all special drill diamond paintings, as if I haven't got enough to do already. And they were bought especially for February Smashing the Specials with Mindy and Angie. I'll put the links to their YouTube channels down below, and if you're wanting to take part in the event. So let's get into these and have a look. I'll just put those out the way up there. Okay, so canvas number 1. Oh yeah. Yeah, I did look at this one. I just thought this was so cute. It's a snail, and I haven't got a snail. And I know I'm usually cute and cuddly, but I do quite like snails as well. Albeit I don't like it when they climb up the dustbin. Ugh. And I particularly don't like slugs, because they're like the snails that have been evicted and haven't got the homes with them. Ugh. At one bit we had a lot of those really little tiny brown slugs on the grass. I've put stuff down now, sorry, to get rid of them. Ooh. And Millie used to come in and they were stuck in a fair, and you'd be stroking her and suddenly there'd be something wet and squidgy and moving in a fair. Oh, it was horrid. Yuck. So anyway, I don't think this snail would be. It's a nice, bright, colourful snail. It is all a special drill, and it's one of those that's like, it's a special drill, but it's practically a full drill canvas, because practically the whole of the canvas is covered by the special drills. There's all different sizes in the different rounds to make up the picture, but practically every bit of the canvas is covered. It's 23 colours, so we've got 23 different shapes and colours. It has got DMC numbers there, so I'm not sure whether they relate to actual DMC colours. I'll have to have a look when I'm de-kitting and maybe see if it does slightly relate to the colour, although we've got like 21, 27 there and 24, which I don't think, unless they're ABs, are DMC colours. But anyway, we'll have a look, see what we've got. Oh, basic tool kit, Ben, oh my goodness me. Liz, try speaking English and using the right letters in the right order. We've got a pen, a piece of wax and a boat to do your project. Okay. There's lots in here. So let's see what there is. Ooh, lots of different colours. So we have a lovely silver and a pale gold and a nice bright red and an orange, and oh, I like the purple, and the green, and a very sparkly light blue, and a nice dark blue there, and then a larger gold and a slightly sort of middle-sized gold, and then a large blue and a large green, and then oops, what's this one? This one is a large red, a large purple, a large orange, a lot of the large blue, the dark blue. So what you tend to find with these is you get the sort of standard smaller size in the colours, and then like we've got the purple there and the orange and the red and the blue, so they tend to then start giving you the larger colours and again the blue, so it all sort of matches in together to make up the picture in different size gems. And then oops, yeah, we've got then a larger silver and a larger blue, green, purple, blue, orange and red. So we've got, other than the silver, the standard silver, it looks like we've got practically every colour. Yeah, we've got the 2 sizes of the yellow there, so we've got every colour in 3 sizes to make up that picture. So, oh, I like that one. That's going to go well. Okay, let me get this one put away and we'll have a look at the next one. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. See if we can get into this one and see what it is. Okay, I always like to check the pack and make sure there's nothing else in there. Oh, and we're back on the bees. We have another bee. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Look at the gems and see, but pinky purple background. And again, it's like a full coverage. Rather than a full drill, it's a full coverage special drill painting, shall we call it. Only 11 different gems or colours on this one. And this is the same toolkit, but we've got some of those black plastic tweezers. I'm not going to say any more about those. Just flatten it down a bit. Oh, we didn't measure the last one, did we? We'll measure this one and then I'll measure the last one as well. I must start remembering to measure. I have my tape measure on the desk looking at me and I still forget to measure. I think it's because I'm so excited to get into the next pack to have a proper look at it and see what we've got. I forget what I'm doing. Oh dear. And that's nothing new. I can get up and go into the kitchen to get something and then stand there for 5 minutes thinking, what did I come in here for? Oh dear. So a little bit more delicate bee, this one. Not quite such a cartoonised or, yeah, cartoonised, I think that's a word, bee. It's a little bit more realistic, even though it's made out of gems, so I don't know. Am I talking rubbish? Probably. I'm quite tired today. Right, ooh, lots of sparkle, lots of sparkle. So we have a lot of silver, which looks like that's going to be the background. And a nice yellowy gold. And a lovely pink, not quite a hot pink, but a good pink. And a lovely purpley colour. And the black with the silver backs. And lots of these little teardrops in gold. They're quite small. And some larger round faceted gold ones. Some larger faceted silver ones. And some purple and some pink. And goodness me, they are really teeny tiny little silver teardrops there. So yeah, they're going to take some working. I presume they'll all be for the flowers. Okay, so that one's really pretty. Put those to one side. Right, let's do a quick measure. They say that they're 30 by 30, but they're usually around about 25 by 25. Oh, and that one is 24, which is just under 9.5 inches by 24, which is just under 9.5 inches. So it is a square. It's just a small square. It's just usual with specials and poured glue. It's the whole canvas that measures the 30 by 30, and then the actual drill area, you tend to lose that size for the border. Okay, right, so just put the drills on one side. Just quickly measure the snail. I think he'll be about the same. He looks about the same size. But he's got an awful lot more colours. It's got double the colours of the bee. And he is 24 by just under 24 centimetres, about 9.25 inches. So yeah, they're roughly the same size. Okay, and let's have a look at the next one. Let's get that one first. I think this is the smaller one. I'm going to save the big one to last. Okay, let's get into this. Let's cut the canvas. Check that there's nothing in the bag. Okay. And oh no, this is the bigger one. So that didn't work, did it? But I just could not resist this one. How magnificent is he? Sorry about the glare. Let me see if I can. Yeah, that's better. Yep. Sorry about the glare, but look at that. That is a beautiful fox. And again, it's a full coverage special drill diamond painting. But he looks a bit sort of sly and a little bit evilish. But foxes tend to have that look, I think. It's with the pointed noses. But they are beautiful animals. Really beautiful. We do have a fox around here. It comes around the street sometimes. We have got woodland and things near us, and we are a little bit country-ish, or quite a few miles outside the city, so we do tend to get quite a bit of wildlife. But yeah, as soon as I saw that, I just thought, yeah, I'm going to have that. I don't need any more special drill diamond painting. As I keep saying, stop looking at them, stop buying them. But yeah, I just had to have this one. He's gorgeous. So this one is 12 different gems and colours. And look at the way they've done like the end of his beard. His little, is that his front? No, that's his face. No, it is like a beard. It's like a, what do they call it? A decolletage, something like that. I don't know. Words and brain is failing me today. Pen, boat and wax. Oh, I thought I wasn't going to be able to get into these again. Right, the cost of these, the square ones I've got are all around about the £3.50 mark, and this one was just under £5. So he's a 30 by 40, he's a little bit more, he's got more gems on him, but as I say, I just couldn't resist him. Okay, let's look at these, So, ooh. So we have your standard black gems with then the medium size and the larger faceted black gems, so they're really going to pop. Is that all the, let's have a look. So that's J, no, that's, oh, I'm looking at there, look. Oh, do you know, if I had a brain, I'd be dangerous. I'm looking here thinking they're all the letter J. No, they're all numbered, Liz. 11, 10, 10. So they are 4, 5 and 6. So that is all the background is going to be black. Oh, this is really going to pop then with some colour. I've just seen some quite bright orangey colours. So the whole of the background is going to be in your standard black drills in 3 different sizes. So that's going to make the background really sort of sparkle but flatten down, and then the colour in the middle is just going to pop out. Oh, wow. So then we've got, this looks like through his beard and around his face. That's an AB coated white. And then, oh, look at that one. That's like a palish, pinky, purpley AB coated. And we've got an amber colour. And then your silvers in your 3, no, there's just 2 sizes. So that's got a coating on it as well, your oil on water AB coating. That's just a standard silver. That's like a grey gem there, grey coated gem. And then your gold and your orange and your brown. So they're your 3 colours for your fox. And putting those onto a black background, that is just going to sing. Oh, he's going to look magnificent. Love that one. And I love them all, that's the trouble. I love them all, I see them, and I just think I'm just going to have that. And I put them in my basket and they sit there for a couple of days, and I think, nah, you're not going to buy it, you're not going to buy it. Oops, sorry, my finger slipped, I've just bought it. Okay, let's have a look at the last one then. It is only 4 that I've got. I've only got 4 this time. Not quite so many as I've had in the last couple of unboxings that I've had to split into different parts because I've had quite so many. Okay, so the last one is, let's have a look. Oh yes, I've seen this one quite a bit as well, and it's been in my cart on a few orders and then come out because I've seen something else and thought I'll get that another time. But I just love the pattern, the roundness, centric circles, shall we say, with a nice black stag in the middle there and the trees around the edges and the grass at the bottom. I just thought that is a gorgeous picture. So yeah, quite a lot of big gems on this one as well. It will drill up really fast with the gems being such a larger size. And this one again has got the tweezers in it. So we've had 2 kits with tweezers and 2 kits without. So sort of consistent. Let's have a look at these. Can I get into them? Okay, so wow. Oh, some gorgeous colours in this. We have your standard black, which will be a stag, which will just make him stand out as like a shadow. And then a silver, a pink, an aqua, a purple, a green, a like chestnutty colour, and a yellowy gold colour. They're all in your standard sizes. Then we have your pink and your blue in a larger size. We've got a lovely white there, which is going to contrast with all your colours. And then the aqua blue again, a pinky red, a green, a gold, yellow gold, purple. Oh, got that AB. That's like a hot pink with an AB on it in a large one. And then the blue and the green. So we've got 2 different sizes in most colours, and that is just going to look gorgeous. As I say, there's a lot of larger gems on this. So if you wanted a special drill, I've not flattened this one, as a partial to do, or well, they're like this one's again like a full coverage special drill. If you're wanting one that will do quite quickly, then this one will do quite quickly because it has got a lot of bigger gems on it, and that coverage just goes on a lot faster. We have had a beautiful circle stag, a very handsome fox, which I absolutely love, a bee. It wouldn't be me without a bee. And a snail. Look at the snail. Snail's so much fun. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up is much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see whether any of these make it into the Smashing the Specials that I get done in February, or see what else I get up to, then press that subscribe button in this corner and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified when any of my next videos come up. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.